Hey guys, so today I'm on my way to San Antonio, Texas. I'm gonna take a flight there to my hometown in Monterrey, Mexico. And I wish it was because of some family event or vacation or something along those lines. But I'm here to tell you a little bit the story of how the traditional banking system is making me take this flight just because it's completely broken and completely outdated. So it's 2025. A little bit of context. I'm originally from Mexico, as I just mentioned. I've been in Austin, Texas for my past 20 years or so. Now, before I moved here, I used to have a corporate career in Mexico. I bought some stocks from the Mexican stock market back then. And when I made the move to the US, I decided let's leave them there, let's let them mature. And I didn't think of it for the last 20 years or so. In any case, last year, it was a tough year with a lot of changes in my life. I left my corporate career to take over full-time my personal training studio, my business. Now, I thought with 20 years of me not having to do anything to keep those equities still under management, still running, still appreciating, it wouldn't require anything of me last year just to keep that going. Well, to my surprise, earlier this year, I opened my old email that was linked to all those accounts, and I have a notification from the bank. Hey, your action is needed. You've missed all these notifications. We have basically parted ways with the former company that we partnered with to establish this brokerage account, and now your money is basically under their custody and you need to basically request it. So I thought that was going to be a very straightforward process, but once again, to my surprise, just to get to the fucking person that was actually able to tell me what to do was a pain in the ass. But in any case, I get to the person, she starts walking me through the situation, and it's basically like, well, yes, you have these equities, these stocks, but we no longer cater for the Mexican market. So you have two options. You can, one, open yet another Mexican brokerage account out here, and then we do a rollover of those equities, or basically you just liquidate, meaning selling those stocks, those equities, and we basically will transfer those funds to whatever account that is under your name in Mexico, and we will take care of that. Okay, so last month, since I didn't want to deal with this bullshit anymore, I coordinated a trip to Monterrey. I opened a bank account with a international bank for all that matters, and essentially was able to process the whole liquidation, rolling over of the funds and everything to this bank account, and I thought that was going to be it. Now, why am I driving to Mexico? Because now that I wanted to take my own fucking money that is there available for me to take, I need to do a wire transfer, and guess what? I cannot enable international wire transfers unless I'm there to enable the service. So this is just a short clip to show you how retarded and fucked up the traditional banking system is, and how they are up for a rude awakening when they realize that Bitcoin is trading 24/7. Bitcoin doesn't have any border, any rule for you to transfer your funds, your value. So what am I going to do with that money? Bitcoin, absolutely. I'm out of the fucking banking system from the old days, and I'm hopeful that it wakes up, that it changes, because again, it's completely broken.